Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another video on Take the Shot. Today's video is going to be on summer shots. Alright, let's load up. Okay, we are sticking with 1,800 and that's a win right there. And that's another win, 2,960. Alright, another shot. Okay, and that's another win. Our main aim here is to get up to 10,000 naira. That's like 6 times what we staked with, or 7 times what we staked with. That's another win. Okay, another shot. You need to understand that each player has a specific odd they play. Okay, so that's all you need to find out. This formula is very effective. All you need to do is call the number on your screen or WhatsApp the number on your screen to get this formula. That was another win, and we have 8,000 naira now in our pot. We're going to take more shots. 9,224. That's like more than 8 times what we staked with. Okay, so we're going to take one last shot. All right, and that's a win right there. Okay, so we had 1,800 naira in our balance, and we made up to 10,000 naira. This formula is really effective. All you need to do is WhatsApp the number on your screen or call up that number and get this effective formula. The other formulas for the other games like Take the Shot Streets, Take the Shots Euro Finals, Cup Africa, all of them are available. Call the number on your screen and get this formula.